that with crowd sourcing we'd be able to get some funding for immediate restoration of the reserve and photographic documentation that's critical, especially stuff that we haven't seen for over 16 years. Doctor says I feel better soon. My vitamin D pills. Vogelgat Nature Reserve is a famous reserve of about 700 hectares, and as you can see behind us we had a devastating fire, but all is not lost. We're quite excited to see what plants are going to come up. This is the herbarium, which is registered with Vogelgat Nature Reserve. 965 flowering species in here, and a lot of research students come here from all over the world. Dr. Williams created the herbarium and was meticulous in his collecting his specimens and vouchers. Vogelgat is unique because we've got so much water here. We've got cliffs and waterfalls and plunge pools. We're very privileged. We've got a resident pair of black eagles here. We've got leopards that are in mountains, baboons which don't terrorize our members. We've got 6 overnight huts where members can utilize, overlooking the lagoon and the Indian Ocean to secluded valleys. We had some amazing support from community members of put their lives at risk to come and fight. And I'm offering the top 5 donors access to the reserve in lieu of their generous donations. Thank you.
Going through the changes, hoping for replacement until we find a way out of this.